y'all how to install this wig over my locks, baby. So y'all know I do got locks. Like, I recently locked my hair. I'll go into another video in detail if y'all need me to, okay? But today's video, the hair is from Arabella Hair, you guys. I'm showing you the unboxing on everything that they send. They sent the wig, and then of course they sent a package full of goodies, baby. Like, yes. So inside of there, they always send the wig cap, which is like, so they always send the wig cap, the 2-pack kind. Y'all know how we do. Then they sent the little elastic band with their little logo on it. I always love this one because it's reversible and it's pink, like real cute. I broke my last one, so I'm excited about this one, okay? Then they gave me some lashes and an edge brush. Gotta have that, gotta have it. Now let's go ahead and get into the wig. You guys, I did bleach this. That's why it's looking like white and ashy and stuff. I didn't know that I didn't get it off, but I did go ahead and clean it off before I got it on camera. And so let's go ahead and put the wig on. So I took my locks out of the ponytail, so I'm getting ready to kind of put them down. So I gathered them into a low ponytail. Just make sure that everything is like pulled, not tight, but like, you know, like to the back of your head, like to the nape of your neck. And then I'll go ahead and I put it kind of like, I put it in a ponytail, and then I'll place it up like that. And then once I do that, I put the wig cap on like kind of backwards so that it's like, you know, where it needs to go. And then I go ahead and put a second one on, y'all. Put a second one on if you have thick hair or locks, okay? It helps compress and condense everything. So I'm throwing that thing on. I used the elastic band first, and then just everything is followed. And you guys, this unit, it doesn't come bleached, but I did bleach the knots on this one. I didn't pluck it though. I will say that I did not pluck this unit. This is exactly as it comes. I just bleached it and put some foundation on the lace. That's the only thing I did. Now I'm getting ready to cut the ear tabs so that it can be more custom fit to my head. The wig was kind of big, and they gave me a little bit more lace than needed, so I went ahead and cut that off, which is not an issue. You probably will have to do this to every unit you have, just saying. So now I'm using the Ebon Lace Tint, and I'm spraying that directly on the hairline. Make sure that you're getting that like in that hairline right there. And then I'm going ahead and I'm combing it, pressing it flat and combing it down to my head. And make sure that it doesn't slide, because y'all see it will slide a little bit. Now I'm using my air dryer on cool. Make sure that it's on a cool setting. I always like to get in there with my blow dryer. Like, you don't have to do this, but that's what I do. So, of course, I'll leave a link in the description box for this one too, because y'all, this is my Amazon babe, and I love all tools pink. So, like, yeah. So I'm going ahead. I always work in sections. I do the middle section, and then I do one side, and then I do the other side. So you guys see me working on the first side section, which will be step number 2 of the install, and I'm just getting that spray saturated into the hairline, and again going ahead and combing everything into the hairline, and then applying that cool air to make sure that it's, you know, sticking and melting and everything like that. So once you're done with all sides, you want to go in with the elastic band and further melt the lace, you guys. Make sure that that thing is like on there, you know what I'm saying, on there, and you are good to go, baby. And so now I took the elastic band off. It was probably been like 5 minutes or something. Went ahead and parted the hair, you guys. I was looking for like a deep side part. Not like a curved one, but more of a straight one. So that's why you guys see me kind of making this like face. I'm real determined, trying to get that going or whatever. So I was finally happy with the part. So I went in with my hot comb and kind of further defined the hairline. You will need to, you know, get that laying as flat as possible. Since I'm doing a side part, I did kind of further section the hair, and then get that like flat as possible. Because it's on a frontal, some of the hair will be going the other way, so you will need to get everything going the same way and get everything flat and all that. You know what I'm saying? So that's what y'all see me doing here. I'm pressing that part out as flat as possible, just so that they can look very natural. Take your time and make sure that you are going in the sections, you know, that you parted and everything, and you should be good to go. Like, the flatter it is, the more natural it looks. Also make sure, since I'm doing like, I kind of wanted the hair in my face a little bit, I did kind of press the hair kind of going forward also. So it does matter which way you like press the hair, it really does. So now I took the elastic band off. I I cut the lace and everything off camera. I didn't think I needed to show y'all that, but this is like the full melt, you guys. Like, this is it. I did no baby hairs on this install. And now y'all just see me, I'm putting some pressed powder on there just to kind of camouflage the lace, because there was a little bit of a white cast on it. And this was my fault because I didn't put foundation on the lace in the beginning like I usually do. But yeah, I'm just trying to cover that up.